Some football news now. The Intersecondary Schools Sports Association ISSA has refuted allegations that there are several Manning Cup schools who have breached the player eligibility rules for the competition. On Wednesday, ISSA conducted an investigation into the allegations but found no evidence to support the claims. Ronaldo Brown reports.
TVJ Sports understands that the contention started in a coaches group following the revelation that Camperdown and Tivoli Gardens high schools had their results deemed null and void due to the use of ineligible players. The allegations surround the top three schools from Group A who have both their place in the quarterfinals: defending champions Jamaica College, Surprise Package Kingston Technical, and Charlie Smith. According to the Post, both Jamaica College and Charlie Smith are accused of using players who had been registered at three different institutions, while it alleges one player from Kingston Technical was a member of the MRC Academy prior to the start of the current school year. According to a source at Defending Champions JC, the allegations brought against the school are untrue as they broke no rules. The source revealed that the student, who is enrolled in 6th form, transferred to another school in 2020 and did not represent that institution before making the move to Old Hope Road. The contentious point is the amended ISSA transfer rule, which states, quote, transferred students will not be allowed to participate if transferred amongst member schools more than once, end quote. The amendments also say, quote, students who move from one member school to another as of January 1, 2019 will be subject to the amended transfer rules for all ISSA competitions with effect January 1, 2020, end quote. ISSA President Keith Wellington explains.
When the rule came into effect January 1, 2020, students who had moved prior to January 1, 2019, those moves would not be considered as part of the number of transfers allowed, seeing that we would not have wanted to make the rule retroactive. So I think some persons are misunderstanding that particular rule, and the cases that have been brought up, we have found that all those students would be eligible, since as their participation prior to 2019 would be disregarded.
And as far as the other allegations are concerned, Wellington noted that there is no evidence of such breaches. However, head coach of Camperdown High, Donovan Loftus, says ISSA should take some of the blame for the confusion.
The clearing out process was kind of abandoned. I don't want to say, I don't know if it was abandoned, but it was, what we call it now, the security process was released then. So I don't think a lot of checks and balances were made. What I'm saying, I don't have a problem with you not clearing a player now. If you don't clear a player, I can't play a player. But if you clear a player, you are saying that now the information given to you was kind of incorrect, so the player is cleared. And what you are saying to me as ISSA and you are clearing us is not, it don't make sense. Because if we are cheaters, we are going to cheat, and we are going to give you the information that you require to pass us. So who's going to find out that information is incorrect? Only when you get a complaint, or only when another school decides to challenge you on the process.
The quarterfinal round of the ISSA Manning Cup is set to kick off on Friday. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sports.